one meal a day is a form of intermittent fasting where all the calories are consumed within a single meal, typically within 1 hour, followed by 23 hours of fasting. This approach has gained popularity for its simplicity and claim of weight loss, metabolic health, and more. OMAD is an extreme version of time-restricted eating, usually involving a 23:1 fasting to eating ratio. The main mechanism is calorie restriction by limiting eating to one meal. Most people naturally consume fewer calories. Extended fasting period may trigger physiological changes such as ketosis, where the body burns stored fat for energy instead of glucose. Now let's talk about scientific benefit of OMAD. By eating once a daily, most people create a calorie deficit leading to weight loss. Studies show that OMAD can result in greater fat and total body weight loss compared to eating 3 meals a day, even when calorie intake is similar. OMAD also increases fat oxidation during exercise, meaning the people burn more fat for fuel. While OMAD can be effective, research suggests that it is not necessarily superior to other calorie restriction diets or less extreme intermittent fasting regimes. OMAD may help the body adapt to using fat as primary energy source, enhancing metabolic flexibility. This adaptation is associated with increased fat oxidation and may improve the body's ability to switch between burning carbohydrate and fats for energy. The third benefit is around blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Some studies indicate that OMAD can help regulate body sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, particularly in people with pre-diabetic or obesity. However, other research note that OMAD can increase fasting glucose levels and impair glucose tolerance in healthy individuals, suggesting mixed effect on blood sugar regulation. The fourth benefit is cardiovascular health. OMAD can lead to reduction in the body weight and fat mass, which are beneficial for heart health. However, some studies report increase in blood pressure and cholesterol level with OMAD, raising concerns about long-term cardiovascular effects. More research is needed to clarify these risks, especially over extended period. The fifth benefit is enhanced cellular health, autophagy. Prolonged fasting such as OMAD may trigger autophagy, a cellular repair process where body break down and recycle damaged cells. Autophagy is linked to reduce inflammation, improve immune function, and potentially lower risk of some chronic diseases. The sixth benefit is mental clarity and productivity. Many OMAD practitioners report increased mental clarity and focus, possibly due to stable blood sugar levels and reduced energy spent on digestion during the day. Some evidence suggests that fasting can boost mood and emotional well-being, potentially benefiting those with mood disorders like blood sugar fluctuation. There are some potential risks and consideration. With one meal a day, it can be challenging to meet all daily nutrient requirements, risking deficiencies in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Extreme calorie restriction and prolonged fasting may lead to loss of lean body mass, which is important for metabolic health. OMAD often leads to intense hunger, fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating, especially during the adjustment phase. OMAD is not recommended for children, pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with history of eating disorder, or those with certain medical condition without medical supervision. So here is a quick summary of OMAD benefit and risk. Weight loss, there is a strong scientific evidence, but there is risk of muscle loss and hunger. Fat oxidation, there are good evidence, but it is risk in terms of fatigue and weakness. Improved metabolic flexibility has moderate scientific evidence, but there is a risk of nutrient deficiencies. Blood sugar regulation have mixed scientific evidence. Possible impaired glucose tolerance is a risk. Cardiovascular health, there is mixed scientific evidence, but there is a risk of possible increased cholesterol and blood pressure. Autophagy and cellular repair, it is more of a theoretical scientific evidence, not directly proven in human. In conclusion, OMAD can be effective method for weight loss and may offer benefits such as improved fat oxidation, metabolic flexibility, and possibly enhanced cellular repair. However, scientific evidence is still emerging and most benefits are based on short-term studies or extrapolated from broader intermittent fasting research. OMAD is not suitable for everyone and carries risk of nutrient deficiency, muscle loss, and potential negative effect on blood sugar and cardiovascular health if not carefully managed. Thanks for watching. If you find this content helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting science content.